Okay, example 3 shows us you can have a larger, you can have a trinomial with an a, b, and a c. So just a lot more work, so let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is factor. So we have negative 5x squared plus 19x plus 12 over, let's factor an x out, and we get x squared minus 2x minus 3. And then that would factor to x, and x minus 3x plus 1. Double check that. That's x squared plus x minus 3 minus 3. Okay. So 5x squared plus 19x plus 12. All right. So we got the bottom factored. So that means we have that negative 5x squared plus 19x plus 12 over x times x minus 3 times x plus 1 has to equal a over x plus b over x minus 3 plus c over x plus 1. So now you just have a third term with a c. So how do you get the common denominator? You have to think, you can't do cross products now. This needs x minus 3 and x plus 1. And this needs x and x plus 1. And this needs x and x minus 3, right, to get this common denominator. So it would be a times x minus 3 and x plus 1 plus b times x and times x plus 1 plus c times x and times x minus 3. So you're going to have to multiply those out. So this is x squared plus x minus 3x, so that would be minus 2x minus 3 times a. And this is b times x squared plus x. And this is c times x squared minus 3x. Still getting there. This is all still equal to negative 5x squared plus 19x plus 12. So now, let's multiply this out. Ax squared minus 2ax minus 3a plus bx squared plus bx plus cx squared minus 3cx is still equal to negative 5x squared plus 19x plus 12. All right, get all the x squareds together. So I have a x squared plus bx squared plus cx squared. So I've gotten rid of this term, and this one. All right, and then let's get the x terms together. I have minus 2ax plus bx minus 3cx. So I got rid of this term, and this term. And now the constants would be minus 3a, and that's it. The other terms, C, don't have a constant. So that equals negative 5x squared plus 19x plus 12. All right, now let's factor out our x's. So our x squared first. X squared is a plus b plus c. Our x is negative 2a plus b minus 3c. And then we have negative 3a by itself. So that's all equal to negative 5x squared plus 19x plus 12. So now we have everything. We can set them equal to each other. So a plus b plus c is equal to negative 5. So a plus b plus c equals negative 5. Then we have negative 2a plus b minus 3c has to be equal to 19. And then we have negative 3a equals 12. That was the constant. So I can automatically, like now I'm supposed to do a system or whatever, but I can automatically solve for a A has to be -4. All right, so I have A, and now I can put A in and just have B and C be variables. So let's see, this would be, replace A with -4. It would be -4 plus B plus C equals -5. So then add the 4. So B plus C equals -1 because I'm adding 4. And then here I have -2A, so that would be 8, because -2 times -4 is 8, plus B minus 3C equals 19. So subtract 8 this time from both sides, and you get B minus 3C equals 19 minus 8, right? Or 11. All right, so here's my system right here, a 2 by 2 system. So let's just subtract. B minus B is 0. C minus 3C is like 3 plus 3C, minus a negative, right? So that would be plus 4C equals -1 minus -11 would be -12. So C is equal to -3. So I have A and I have C, and now it said B plus C is -1, so B plus -3 equals -1, or B plus, add 3, 2, no, B, not plus 2, B equals -1 plus 3, so 2. So my final answer would be A over X, I'm way back up here, so -4 over X plus B, which is 2 over X minus 3. Guys, I'm up here on this. And then lastly, plus -4 over, nope, C is -3, sorry. -3 over X plus 1. So there's your answer, -4 over X plus 2 over X minus 3 plus 3 over X plus 1. All right, so make sure you understand that and went carefully, and I'll do example 4 in the next video.